Welcome to my magical fish fry festival! Look at these fresh fish! They are ready to become yummy! Let's start frying with some snowy magic! Ooh, they're cooking so beautifully! Now they're getting crunchy and yummy! Let's make beautiful plates for my friends! Here you go! Enjoy your crispy fish! Let's cook some more for everyone! This one is just for you! Almost done! Everyone will have yummy fish! Seeing you smile makes me so happy!
Now everyone has their tasty fish!
We made this magical feast together! I love my snowy kitchen and my happy friends. Thank you for cooking with me. Please watch my next magic video.